Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Over the last month or so, I've been designing a lot of bonsai pots for 3D printing. I've been sending the 3D models of the bonsai pots down to Spectra 3D in Mars Hill, North Carolina. I just got the box in today, so I'm very excited to open it up and see the latest samples. So here I go. So I'm really excited. There's a few new pot designs. It's sunny outside right now, but it's also snowing. It looks nice though. Time for the big reveal. Here's the environmentally responsible packaging. I like that. And it is the first piece is a display stand for my Vietnam style bonsai pots. So I'm going to try the pot out. It should fit on top of here. And it does. There's a shot of the pot with the display stand underneath. So I can put moss or gravel under here to make it look like a realistic scene that you would see in Vietnam. I'll have to paint these pillars and the edging here to match the cement look of the pot. I think the 3D printed bonsai pot and stand is going to look really good in a bonsai show someday. It'll give people a taste of Vietnam. Let's go back into the box and open up the second piece. It's big. It's another one. Now this one, if you'll notice, I don't know if this comes off. No. It has the Bonsai Zone written in the bottom. How cool is that? The pot also has NRS, which is my initials, 000, the Bonsai Zone stamped in the bottom of the pot. There's a shot of the lettering, the Bonsai Zone. That's really cool. Time to get out sample number 3. It is this is a different style display stand. This style of display stand is designed to put a large pot on top, or you could put a tabletop and then a smaller pot on top of the table. It's time to get out sample number 4 now. So here I go. This is a bonsai pot, a shallow tray type pot. Let's see how it would look on top of this. It looks pretty good. Earlier this year, I printed a 3D person, and I had an idea for this style of planting that I would maybe have some 3D printed people bending over looking at the tree. So if I print them the right scale, I'll kind of make a little miniature Vietnam style diorama. I think that would look really good for a show. Let's have a look at sample number 5. Sample 5 is very flat. This is the tabletop. The tabletop for this one. There it is. That looks really good. Here's the tabletop on the columns, and then you could put any kind of pot you wanted on top. Very cool. Let's get out sample number 6 now. It looks like a pot. And it is a pot. Ah, very nice. Wow, lots of drainage holes. So this is a new design. I'll put the pot on top of our table here. Looks good. So this pot is designed to look like a Vietnam cement type pot. It's got a few features that you see on a typical Vietnam style pot. Some raised corners, bit of ribbing detail. So that should look good. It's a nice sized pot for planting a tree too. I'll open sample number 7 now. Feels like another bonsai pot. Oh, it's a couple. There's a rectangular one. And an oval. Wow, they're really nice. Let's put them on top of the stand here. That looks really good. And the black one. That looks good also. Very nice. I think these miniature display stands is a really good idea to highlight your bonsai tree for a show. Let's get sample number 9 out now. This is an under tray, so I'm not sure what pot. It fits that pot. I think it was designed for this tray pot. Put that underneath the pot, and then any water that drains out of the pot collects here. So you can still see the feet of the pot, and it makes a really nice, almost a stand underneath your pot. But a very practical one. Here's a close-up of that under tray. So you can see it has some decorative edges. You can still see the feet of the pot. And I've got little feet on the bottom of the under tray also. So the whole pot and tray looks very nice. You could display this pot in a show with the under tray beneath it as a display stand. Let's get sample number 10 out of the box now. I think this is an actual display stand. And it is. Check that out. Here's a close-up shot of the Chinese style display stand. You can see in the bottom I've added reinforcing ribs so it doesn't bend in the middle when you put a heavy pot on it. Here's what it looks like with a pot on top. Yeah. Good way to show off your tree. The Chinese display stand, sample number 10, was the last sample in the box. So you can see why I was so excited to get this box in the mail. I've got a lot of work ahead, painting them all up and getting them ready to maybe put in our fall bonsai show. I want to give a big thanks to Spectra 3D for printing out all these prototype pots. And we're going to work together to try and make all these pots available to purchase in the future. So there'll be more details on that coming up in future videos. I'll be working on these 3D printed bonsai pots in future videos, painting them up, assembling them, and planting them. But that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me here in the Bonsai Zone.